Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about can diabetes cause mood swings. So if you like the video related to my health, my way, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. Now, can diabetes cause mood swings? You may think diabetes just affect your pancreas, but living with this condition often affect your mood and mental health too. For one, you may experience mood swings when your blood glucose levels are too high or low. Stress, depression, and anxiety can also crop up. Managing diabetes on a daily basis can sometimes feel overwhelming, so it's important to check in on your emotional well-being every once in a while. One way to regulate your mood is to understand and follow your diabetes management plan. This will help smooth out the highs and lows in your blood glucose, which can cause mood swings. So you may need to talk with the mental health professionals if you are experiencing symptoms of depression, burnout, or anxiety. Managing your mental health is just as important to your overall health as your diabetes treatment plan. Now, mood swings and diabetes. Feeling a range of highs and lows is not uncommon if you have diabetes. Your blood sugar impact how you feel and can contribute to mood swings. Poor management of blood glucose can lead to negative moods and a lower quality of life. So how do you know if you have low or high blood glucose? Your diabetes management plan should involve frequent blood sugar readings to help you manage the condition. According to the American Diabetes Association, your target range for your blood sugar can vary from person to person. Generally, target ranges are 80 to 130 milligrams per deciliter before you eat a meal, 180 milliliter per deciliter or lower a few hours after eating a meal. Numbers below or above your target range could be the source of changing mood. You may notice that you feel off if your blood sugar is high or low, and that getting your level back into the target range instantly improves your outlook. You might also see a trend in your emotions when your blood glucose is low or high, so it's important to test your sugar level when you feel in a certain way. For instance, low blood glucose levels make you feel confused, nervous, hungry, irritable, shaky, jittery, tired, sweaty. Now, high blood glucose levels may make you feel tense, angry, sad, foggy, faint, thirsty, tired, nervous, lethargic. It's important to keep your blood glucose as stable as possible. If you take insulin or a sulfonylurea, keep a fast-acting source of carbohydrate with you all the times. This way, if you have low blood glucose, you can bring it back up quickly. If you experience big fluctuations throughout the day, talk with your doctor about a potential change to your treatment regime. Now, stress and diabetes. The stress of a diabetes diagnosis and the stress of managing diabetes over time can lead to a feeling of being overwhelmed and diabetes burnout. Some reasons you may feel stress include you may not be feeling well physically. You may be concerned about the management plan, including the daily regime, lifestyle modification, and cost. You may feel overwhelmed about lifelong treatment. You may be exhausted from maintaining your management plan. Stress can affect diabetes negatively. Stress that lasts for many weeks or months can lead to unstable glucose level. Your blood glucose level can rise and sometimes fall with stress. These fluctuations can alter your overall mood. Stress can interfere with managing your condition. When under stress, you may be less motivated to exercise and eat and drink according to your treatment plan. So don't let stress interfere with your diabetes management. Talk to your doctor about your stress level or reach out to a diabetes educator. Use American Association of Diabetes Educator website to find an educator near you. So that's all about the diabetes in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come with the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.